Adnan.
And my name is Aditya.
Today we both are going to explain or say some lines on Onam. Onam is an annual Indian harvest festival celebrated predominantly by the Hindus of Kerala, a major annual event for the people of Kerala. It is the official festival of the state and includes a spectrum of cultural events. The story of Onam. According to Hindu legends, Onam is celebrated in remembrance of the good governance under the rule of Daitya King Mahabali. The legend holds the jealous of Mahabali's popularity and his power. The Devas conspired to end his reign. They sent Vamana in the form of a draft Brahmin. Vamana asked for the 3 feet of land and his wish from the generous Mahabali. After measuring the entirety of the universe, leaving nowhere the place of his third foot, Mahabali offered his own head to place his third feet. Making the wish complete, trampling Mahabali to Patala. However, with hissing Mahabali's generosity, Vamana granted the king's soul wish to visit his land and subjects once every year. This homecoming of Mahabali is celebrated as Onam in Kerala every year. The date of Onam celebration is based on the Panchanga and falls on the 22nd Thiruvanam in the month Chingam of Malayalam calendar.
Festivities of Onam. People all over Kerala celebrate Onam for the 10 days. Each day of this festival carries unique importance. Thus, people celebrate each of them uniquely. The celebrations reflect the rich culture and history of Kerala. The Onam dance is quite popular throughout the country. Some of the traditional ones that people perform are Kathakali, Pulikali or Kaduvakali, Ummantikali, Kaikotikali and more. Similarly, the traditional snake boat race is also a major attraction during the festival. It is referred to as Ballam Kali. There are 100 men on each boat who do the rowing. The race occurs at the river Pampa. Other popular races include Nehru Trophy boat race and the Uttarakhand boat race. Another important aspect of Onam is the Onam Sadhya. It is basically a feast containing all types of vegetarian dishes. It is quite lavish and is served on the last day of the festival. A huge variety of dishes are prepared and people serve them on banana leaves. Further, there is Onam Pukalam, that is basically flower carpets. People make the flower decorations in front of their houses for welcoming King Mahabali. All in all, Onam is a festival that unites all the people of Kerala. It is a festival that erases all the boundaries we have created. People celebrate it with joy and zeal and enjoy the days to the fullest each year. Thank you, and we wish you a happy Onam.